I went from making the nastiest, most complicated plant-based meals, trying to be healthy, like I'm sure all of you, to being able to cook up meals that everyone loves. And they taste great, and they're keeping me out of the kitchen. I'm not in the kitchen all day. I had so many reasons why it would have been difficult. Number one, plant-based foods were not as readily available as they are now. So you had to make things with real food. I didn't have the time. I worked 12 hours, sometimes more, and I just didn't have time to be in the kitchen. And I didn't want to at that. So that was one complication. And then what were people going to say about me not having any meat on my plate? You know what kind of family I come from? They don't play that. And then I didn't know what I was doing. But I'm so happy that I went for it and I did it. I struggled, and I don't want you to have to struggle. So now is the perfect time to go ahead and grab these meal plans. I got 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days. They are so helpful and meals you would actually want to eat. Secret, I don't like salads. Well, I don't like plain salad. So this is not one of those kind of meal plans. Check it out.